Now, after the title moving from the right and stopping at the center, I want to add to it another animation. I select it, then go to Add Animation, then choose Pulse. I make the start after previous. And from Effect, go to Timing and make it repeat 3 times. Okay, so now after it pulsates 3 times, I want it to fly and rotate at the same time to the left of the screen. So after I select the title, I go again to Add Animation, then Exit Effects, and from here choose Fly Out Top Left. Then I select again the title and add the rotating animation. I go to Add Animation, More Exit Effects, and Swivel. Okay, let's make its duration the same as the previous, which is 0.50. And the start with previous. Okay, to this one, let's give the start after previous, so it will start after the previous animation. Okay, so after it will pulsate 3 times, it will fly out by rotating to the left side of the screen. Then, I want at the same time this subtitle to zoom out of the screen. So, I select the text, go to Add Animation, then More Exit Effects, then Basic Zoom. From Effect Options, I choose In. I choose to start with previous, so they'll happen at the same time. Let's zoom in a little bit to select the line and add to it another animation. I go to Add Animation, then choose Split. Then I set the start with previous. Okay, now let's zoom out to see all the picture. I select the first animation and click Play From. Now you see the text coming from the right. Next, the bubbles that appear one by one and pop. Then the title pulsates 3 times, and at the same moment that it flies out, the other objects also disappear. But all this is no fun without some nice music. So I go to Insert, then Audio from my PC, and choose a short song that you also have in the resources file. Here you see the song's icon, and I'll place it here for not interfering with the other objects. You also see here in the end the animation appearing in the animation pane. So I have to place it in the beginning of the other animations, not in the end. For this, I go to Audio, then Playback, and click on Play in Background. And now you see that the animation that was after all the other animations was automatically placed in the beginning of them all, and it will play along with all those animations and slides. Let's see what we just did. I go to Play From. Good. We'll make another slide to make a nice transition for this intro video. I right click and choose New Slide. Then select the 2 text fields and delete them. Then right click, choose Format Background and change its color to black. Then we'll make a transition from the first slide to the second. In PowerPoint, the transitions start in the beginning of the selected slide, not after it. So I select the second slide, go to Transitions and choose Vortex. Then for Effect choose from top, which is more interesting. Here, at the advanced slide, I give 0 seconds. Here you see that this transition already has 4 seconds. Then I go to the first slide. Here you see that the starting transition is none. I'll give it here at the advanced slide after 0 seconds in order to start as soon as possible without any pause. Let me close this format pane. And now let's see all the animations. So, to the last animation, which is this one, you can see here, if I hover the mouse on it, it shows 6.2 seconds. And here at the song, we have 11.5 seconds. This means that we have to make all the animations and transitions happen in approximately 11 seconds. So, we have the animations of the first slide, which are approximately 6 seconds, plus this transition, which is 4 seconds. To sum up, that's 10 seconds until now. I'll add here to advanced slide 0.80 seconds in order to have a little period after the second transition will finish. Then I press enter to make this little modification take place. I return to the first slide, so here we have all the animations that happen in 6.20 seconds, plus this transition, which is 4.80, that is 4 plus the 0.80 seconds, so all these will be 11 seconds totaled up. Let's see again how all looks. I click here on the slideshow button. And everything's okay. Here this lesson ends, and I hope you did these exercises along with me, so you've learned how to make this nice intro with popping bubbles. In addition to this, you've also learned some tips on how to set the timings to the animations and transitions. We'll meet in the next video.